BarberExam.com.
Yo, what's up, y'all? This your boy again, and I'm back with another bald fade video, okay? Now, first and foremost, I'm gonna start off by balding out the bottom. Those of you that have been watching my videos, you already know how I roll. Bald out the bottom. Now, pretty much, I'm gonna go ahead and work on trying to set up the top, okay? This customer or this client right here is getting a 1 on top, medium bald fade on the sides, right? And it's pretty straightforward. I'm only gonna use 2 guards. The one guard and the half guard, okay? So right after I bald out the bottom, all I'm gonna do is go on top and I'm gonna level everything off with the 1 guard with the grain, okay? Now, as you can see, I'm only doing a one-sided haircut. So this is a half a haircut right here, okay, y'all? So once I do this side right here, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it out and then do the other side of the haircut, all right? So I'm just pretty much going with the grain right here. I got the 1 guard on with the lever closed, and I'm just going in the direction that the hair is growing in. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. I'm doing the same thing over and over again. Those of you that, like I said, that continuously watch my videos, you already know the drill. This is part of the setup, right? All right, now after that, now I took off my 1 guard, now I got the no guard, right? I'm going up about a finger's width, and I'm gonna go all the way across with this. All right, and I'm gonna go across about a finger's width right here. And this is a no guard, lever open all the way, all right? Clear that out, make sure everything's nice and clean. All right, now make sure all your lines are straight, because the straighter the lines, the better the fade, okay? Now I got the lever closed, and I'm gonna erase that bottom line right there. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I always do pretty much the same steps, all right? I'm erasing out the bottom line. As you can see, I'm using my other hand and my thumb to stretch out the skin. I'm using my comb to remove any debris that might be in the way to confuse the fade, all right? So here we go. I'm erasing that bottom line, all right? Shout out to my client right here, yeah. Anyways, so that's the bottom line removed. Now I'm gonna go halfway, all right? So I'm gonna click the lever halfway and I'm going up halfway. Not quite at the top, but it's halfway. Y'all got that? All right, so the next step is to put the 1 guard on, all right? And the 1 guard, I'll go all the way up to just about the rim. Okay, well, I'm still using the half guard, no guard, all right? but the next step, when I get to 1, I'm gonna get it all the way up until the top, but not quite in the top. All right, so work with me, y'all. I'm just going up, going up, going up, all right? So, all right, I'm just making sure I clean everything out. So now here's the 1 guard. And as y'all can see, the way I'm angling my clippers, I'm going in the direction that the hair is growing down in. You notice that I'm kind of at an angle with it, and I'm going right to the rim of the head, okay? So you notice that I got the lever open all the way, and I'm going in the direction that the hair is growing in. So I'm going against the grain, right? All right, and I'm using my comb and I'm using my other hand to pull the skin. Believe it or not, it might not look like I'm pulling the skin, but as I'm holding the client's head, I'm actually pulling the scalp and moving the skin, okay? And that gives me a clearer, cleaner fade, all right? So, using my comb, working my comb, and that's the lever open all the way. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and close the lever, and then I'm hitting that bottom line. As you can see, with the lever closed, that bottom line is starting to disappear a little bit, which is the exact thing that I'm looking for. I'm trying to get rid of that bottom line. Then, as I continue, those of you that know my method, my fade technique, you'll notice that I'm going to turn the lever to the halfway position. So I did open, I'm working closed right now. Then the next step will be to go lever halfway. If you just pay attention, you'll notice it. All right? So, right after this, could anybody guess at this point right here in the video? You could either pause it or you could guess. What's the step after the 1 guard? Okay? Now we've used the one guard, we used the no guard. There we go. That's the half guard. All right. Now I got the half guard right in between the no guard and the one guard. So those of you that had guessed the half guard, you were correct. Okay. So we do the half guard, and I think I got the half guard halfway right here. Or we could do half guard open, close, and halfway. However you feel that your fade needs to be done, that's what you do, okay? So this is pretty much my fade technique. Right here, I'm actually going with the grain. I'm just trying to knock off a little bit of weight, trying to make sure the hair lays down real good and give it a good transition, all right? Anyway, so now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and spray some holding spray, not no clipper spray, holding spray, all right? And then I'm gonna start in the middle, and I tend to work my line to the right, which gives me a better and a cleaner line. Once I start in the middle and work my way over to the right, all right? Shout out to my client for being a good sport about this whole haircut. We having a pretty good conversation while I'm doing this, and it's all good. Anyways, those of you that like any or learned anything from this video, don't forget to follow us on YouTube, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and that's Custom Made Barber School. Don't forget to visit us at custommadebarberschool.com if you're interested in enrolling in barber school. Hit us up. We located in Jacksonville, Florida. A good place to find us is on custommadebarberschool.com. You can find us on Google. Those of you that are serious about becoming a barber and you trying to learn this craft or learn this trade and be your own boss, don't hesitate to hit us up. We're currently enrolled in military educational benefits. We pretty much do it all, okay? We teach you how to market yourself, how to advertise, how to earn money, and take care of your family, okay? So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, share. See y'all soon, okay? Peace.